And we'll be having more conversation about some of these other things. But I guess there are more food items to be discussed. We have.
It'll be pretty quick.
Sure. The next item then would be a food service milk bid.
Probably need, okay. I gotta open it, sorry.
Jesse, while we're waiting, do the prices have any real significance or correlation to what it actually costs to prepare the meal?
It does, yes.
Okay.
So when you take, and we'll just use free for an example, what we get for free reimbursement. Free totals around $3.20 is what we get back total in reimbursement. So when you take the reduced price of 40 cents that we charge plus all the rest of the reimbursement, it's equal to the free student. The only thing it's not equal is when you take what we charge the paid students, then you run into the problem where what we're getting for reimbursement plus what we're charging doesn't equal that $3.20. It's actually usually around 20 cents lower, if not more, depending on what we're charging. That's why they want us to raise those paid prices so it actually is in line with the other two.
Okay.
All right, what we're looking at here is a prime vendor bid. We just went out to bid for our main supplies, food and supplies, and we bid out to 6 different vendors, being Reinhardt, Indian Head Foods, Cisco, Dirk Waukesha, Fox River, and U.S. Foods. We had 2 no bids, 2 that were disqualified, and we have the 2 remaining up here, which was Reinhardt Foods and Indian Head Foods. And just looking at the bottom line, I'm recommending we go with Reinhardt Foods. They were a $26,000 difference compared to Indian Head. And the reason being for that is they had a lot lower cost of product. They also had a lower holding fee, which is what they charge per case. And they offered a lot more incentives, being manufacturer discounts, pay your bill early, and a truck size incentive. So the bigger the truck, the actual more money they take off of it. So the bid value was a lot lower with Reinhardt.
I'm sorry, so current vendor is just showing what the costs were this year with Reinhardt?
Correct, taking the same products that I bid on. I bid on close to 300 items. So I try to bid almost every item that we have so we can get a fairly accurate number. And looking at the current products compared to, which is Reinhardt Foods is our current, to this, it's actually close to a $9,000 difference. And I think it was much more competitive this year with 6 actual vendors being thrown into the mix. So
why were the two bidders disqualified?
One was 3 days late in getting the bid to us, and there was big specifications, and another one had made some errors, and in order for them to correct them, I would have had to reopen the bidding process and send everything back out, and that was going to take too much time.
But again, to be clear, Reinhardt is the current.
Correct. Reinhardt is our current, so we will be staying with Reinhardt. And then the next one.
Let's finish this.
Do you want to go ahead and just
do a motion?
Okay, then I'd look for a motion to approve
I got it.
Reinhardt Foods as the prime vendor for 2013, 2014. Do we have to put in the bid value as part of the motion? Okay.
Well, you can. I mean, it's simple enough.
That is the official total bid for the, I mean, that's...
Yeah, it won't be a set price because the market value, so things will go up and down.
Oh,
during
I
the
see.
process, during the duration of the bid, so that's not a guarantee.
So the number is not fixed,
Guaranteed
it's not a
No, it's not
contracted amount.
Correct.
It's, okay.
I'll move we go with Reinhardt.
Okay. Is there a second?
Second.
We have a motion and a second to approve the recommendation that Reinhardt Foods be the prime vendor for the 2013-2014 school year. Any questions or comments? If not, all those in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed? Say no. The ayes have it, the motion carries, and Reinhardt is approved as the prime vendor.